Today, we share best scroll saw. Again, best scroll saw. Number 3.
I'd like to take a few minutes to talk about the new EX16 Excalibur scroll saw by General International. The 16 denotes the distance between the blade and the front of the frame, which allows you to work to the center of the 32-inch workpiece. We use a DC permanent magnet motor, which gives feedback through the machine at any speed or feed rate to maintain full torque. Got a large steel table. All of our controls are mounted on top of the machine for easy use. It's fully guarded on the top and the bottom. We've got an integral dust collection chute under the table, as well as a blower on top, which helps pick up about 90% of the dust, the cutting dust. Now, as far as the rocker switch goes, is your on-off switch, and the variable speed switch is mounted right behind it. For your final tension, you go back to the knob on the rear, and that sets it. To change the blade, I release the cam tension and the thumb screw. Now with this machine, for internal work and threading, it's very nice. I can lift the head out of the way, drop down into my workpiece, bring the head back down, thread my blade, tighten my thumb screw, and go back to it. The variable speed feature is nice because once I'm engaged, I can slowly increase the strokes per minute until I'm getting an optimal finish and an optimal cut. Very smooth, vibration-free machine, very simple to operate. If I'm doing angle cuts on this, unlike some of the competitors' machines, instead of tilting the table, we merely tilt the head. You can set your angle down below with index pins, and that allows a good flat surface to work on. Gives you a lot more accuracy. All in all, it's a great value for the dollar. Thanks.
Introducing the newest Dremel product, the Dremel Moto-Saw. This first-of-its-kind scroll saw is portable, so it can be used for all sorts of projects, from do-it-yourself to crafts and hobbies. With the Dremel Moto-Saw, precision cuts are made simple. It's small and compact, so you can control the workpiece or the tool itself. All the tool's features are designed to make your projects go as smoothly as possible. The auto-tension quick change feature makes changing accessories fast and easy. You don't even need a key. At the bottom of the tool is a dust port adapter to help keep your workspace clean. Thanks to its fast clamp base and its detachable coping functions, any space can be turned into your workspace. Boasting variable speeds and a variety of accessories, this tool is the ideal solution for your precision cutting needs. If you have any questions about the Dremel Moto-Saw or any of the other products, feel free to visit the website or call the number at the bottom of the screen to speak with a customer service representative.